Alrighty folks, here's our sweet potato yield. This is Tai Nung 64. What we're going to do is cure these. So basically I placed them in this plastic container. I got a paper towel that I barely put any water on because I'm told that you have to store these in a high humidity environment at about 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to take this lid and put it over top of them and just keep it in my garage for 7 days. Now that should do the trick because the garage stays around 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit anyway. So that's all I did. I just tucked it away in a little corner somewhere. But this is my first yield ever of the sweet potato. Oh look, it's starting to rain. We need the rain. Anyhow, yeah, this is my first yield ever of a sweet potato, and going forward I'm just still learning about it. So this is all trial and error, so don't be surprised if I make some mistakes along the way or need to be corrected on some things. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out tremendously. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of sweet potatoes. Have a good day.